by the PGSU and ULCSU dated 27/3/2025 regarding certain issues raised against the Controller of Examination, Guwahati University, the Honorable Vice Chancellor decided to constitute a committee with immediate effect where representatives from PGSU and ELCSU will also be included. Eto ami alochona morme koisu aru tar pichote tomaloke jitu kotha koisa next line will tell that. Next line hol tomaloke jitu koisila for impartial discussion and decisions the affairs of Controller of Examinations is assumed by the registrar with immediate effect. That means with effect from now the Controller of Examination affairs is assumed by the registrar. The committee will submit the report within 1 week from today, the 27th March 2025. তোমালোকৰ ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভ ইমিডিয়েটলি আজিয়ে দিয়া হ'ব আৰু কাইলৈ 10টা বজাৰ ভিতৰত দিলে নটিফিকেশ্যনখন কৰিব লাগিব আৰু ইয়াৰে এটা কপি